This year's Computex coverage is brought to you by MSI and Thermal Tape.
Welcome to the colourful booth, Computex 2024. Let's go check out what they have.
Check out MSI's range of QD OLED gaming monitors with up to 360Hz refresh rate at 1440p or 240Hz at 4K for the ultimate creator and gaming experience. With true-to-life colour calibration right out of the box, do not miss out. Learn more using my links down below.
So this is the Colourful Ultra series of product under their iGame range of products. And here we have the Ultra iGame motherboard, the CPU AIO cooler, the GPU, power supply, keyboard, and it all comes as a full package. You can buy this as a pre-built PC, or you can actually buy these parts individually. So iGame now also have the mini version, so you can get a nice compact case. You can actually buy it as a pre-built as well, or you can actually buy each part individually. So they've got their SFX power supply, they've also got the CPU cooler, or the motherboard, or the GPU, all in a mini version. But personally, I think this looks really cool. It's actually got a nice window on the front as well, so you can actually view the GPU, plus vented panels all around the case. So it's going to keep the PC nice and cool. So this is the Vulcan line of series for the iGame brand. Of course, we have an EATX motherboard. We've got a bigger, beefier CPU cooler, bigger GPU as well. I mean, look at the RAM. Like, look how high profile that is, but we have a beefy case to support all of it. Of course, this is the fish tank style as well. So you got the glass at the front for full viewage of all of those components, and this big, beefy CPU cooler, keep it nice and cool. Now, again, you can buy each of these as an individual component, or you can actually buy this as a pre-built system, fully built, ready to go. Okay, this is the Colorfire Meow gaming setup. This is a limited edition run. You can actually get the full keyboard, the mouse pad, you get a full PC as well. If you're a cat lover, this is probably for you. So if you want to check out more, I'll definitely leave a link in the video description. Okay, so this is called the Neptune. It's actually a prototype case. The water cooling itself is actually built into the chassis. So the motherboard's located at the rear. The CPU, it's actually got like a CPU cooler built in as well. The GPU, you can actually buy it. It is available now. It's an AIO cooled GPU. So I'd love to see this come to the market because it's pretty unique. It's something we don't usually see. And a few companies have tried this before and it's been making like gurgly sounds. You can hear the liquid through it. This one, I can't actually hear anything. So I think it's a pretty cool concept. I don't know how they're gonna make it super universal because it depends on, you know, what motherboards you're using, but I believe this is designed just for the colorful motherboards at the moment, and I think it's going to stay that way for now, but we'll hear more about it in the future. Okay, so this is a bit of a concept case. It's a custom one-off. They're not actually gonna be selling this, but I really wanted to show you the cool, unique build that this is. Now, the main feature that they're trying to display here is that Colorful is actually making a GPU water block specifically for their graphics card. And you can see it right here. It's a nice, clean design. You can see a bit of that copper look to it, and of course, it also has that sort of silverish color around there, complemented of course by the Bits Power water cooling hardware. I think it looks super unique, and we can see it right over here on display. So this is the water block close up. You can see it's got an awesome nickel plate design. The fins have actually left copper, and it contrasts really well with this copper outside framing right there that they've gone with. And this is actually to fit this graphics card right here, which is their RTX 4090. And of course it does come with a backplate as well. This is all made of metal. This is aluminium, so it's nice and lightweight as well. But this is hefty. It's fully copper. So you know you're gonna get nice, efficient cooling from it. So this is the iGame Z790 D5 Flow V20. It gets its naming from this flow design here with the built-in RGB. Of course, we do have support for DDR5 all the way up to 7800 megahertz, which is pretty impressive. Not only that, but we also have NVMe support for Gen 5 NVMe drives with a pretty beefy heatsink as well. Moving along, we have our CVN Z790 D5 Arc Frozen V20. The name is a tongue twister, I know, but we also have support for DDR5 memory all the way up to 7800 megahertz. Of course, another Gen 5 NVMe slot and plenty of Gen 4 NVMe, plus loads of I/O connectivity as well. Now, this is the beast of the whole range of products. This is their newest iGame Z790 D5 Vulcan WV20. Now, this, of course, has support for your Gen 5 NVMe's, but look at that heatsink. So it's going to provide efficient cooling as well. We have DDR5 support as well, so 4 DIMMs running at 7800 megahertz. So this is going to be a very good performer. EATX in size as well, and you can see that the 24 pin is located on the side, so it's going to be cleaner cable management as well if you pair it up with the right case. Now it's only fitting for a sim rig to actually have a custom wheel PC. Inside we have Colourful's iGame GeForce RTX series graphics card. We've also got an iGame motherboard as well. We've got a full-on water loop inside, which looks really unique. I love this design. And even on the front here, you can see we've got a temperature display, which is super cool. You can see the temperatures. It's nice and cool, and it's also showing the utilization as well of the PC. Really unique. I love how they've implemented all of this. And I just wanted to show you guys because I thought this was one of the more unique builds of the show.